Another day, another ramen obsession. But today we are taking it to Texas. Smoky barbecue meat loaded Jiro style. This might be the craziest bowl I've ever made. Juicy, messy, way too much. And that's exactly how I like it. Stick around, this one gets insane. My name is Noji Nora, short for Nojiro no Life. Back in college, I studied abroad in the US, and I've loved America ever since. Hey, I'm Noji Nora, ramen lover from Japan. Stick around and watch to the end. This is not just ramen. Today, I'm bringing together two things I truly love, Jiro-Style Ramen and Texas BBQ. It might sound a little crazy, right? But trust me, there's a reason behind this. Back in college, I spent about watch to the end. And during that time, I completely fell in love with American food culture, especially barbecue. The smell of meat on the grill, the smoke, the fat, the flavor, it's something I'll never forget. Ever since then, I've always wanted to recreate that experience in my own way. And today, that idea finally turns into ramen. Now, let's talk about Jiro-Style Ramen for a second. What I love about it is the balance. The soup is actually pretty clean, a pork-based broth that's not overly emulsified. It's rich, but not heavy, simple, but incredibly satisfying. And then you have the toppings, garlic, pork fat, and that massive volume. It's bold, it's messy, and honestly, it's kind of insane. So I started thinking, what if I take that clean pork-based soup and combine it with the punchy, smoky flavor of Texas barbecue? Oh, that's broth, rich and aggressive, but still balanced at the same time. That's the idea behind this ramen. And for meat, I'm going with something special. Premium Angus beef ribeye. Juicy, fatty, and packed with flavor. Exactly what this kind of ramen needs. This is going to be intense, but in the best way possible. Let's fire this up. Like the video. That's where things start to come together. I'm not trying to recreate Texas barbecue, and I'm not just making ramen either. This is somewhere in between. Sweet, smoky, and a little aggressive, but still built on that clean Jiro style foundation. That contrast, that's what I'm after. Something heavy, but not overwhelming. Something bold, but still balanced. Subscribe for more ramen! If you are watching from the US, Canada, Europe, or anywhere in Asia, do you eat ramen often? And when you do, is it instant ramen, cup noodles? Nothing wrong with that. By the way, I grew up eating those too, but Japanese ramen, the kind you get at a real shop, that's a completely different world. Deep broth, layered flavors, everything built from scratch. And honestly, it's not something most people make at home. It takes time, technique, and a bit of obsession. That's exactly what I'm trying to do here. Bringing something that usually only found in shops into a home kitchen. And today, we are pushing that idea even further. This one's going to be something else. Like the video. Alright, the Texas BBQ is ready. Time to cut into it. I'm not gonna lie, this part always makes me nervous. Let's see how it turned out. Nice, look at that. For this one, I went a bit thinner on the slices. Since it's going into ramen, I wanted it to sit well with the noodles. Not too thick, not too heavy. But honestly, what do you guys think is the perfect thickness? If you are from the US or anywhere barbecue is big, I'd love to hear your take. Now, we can't forget the soul of Jiro-Style Ramen, garlic. Finely chopped, so it hits hard, but blends into everything. That punchy, bold flavor. It doesn't just overpower the bowl. It actually brings everything together. We are almost there. Everything's coming together, and it's just about time to build the bowl. Before that, I always warm up the ramen bowl with hot water, because when it comes to ramen, temperature matters. It has to be hot, really hot. That's when it tastes the best. And now, we are moving into the plating. This is always my favorite part. It's the moment where everything finally comes together, and honestly, I still get excited every single time. I'm sure this is the part you've been waiting for too. So from here, no narration, no subtitles. Just watch it come together. Let's build something special. Subscribe for more ramen. Like the video. First of all, this broth, it's incredible. This is the same soup I made in another video. You can check it out from the thumbnail if you are interested. Now, this might get a little technical, but Jiro-Style Ramen actually has different types of broth, from fully emulsified to lightly emulsified, and then this non-emulsified. That's what this is. It's clean, but still packed with depth and umami. Not heavy, but seriously satisfying. And then this Texas BBQ, it works way better than I expected. The sweet savory sauce, the black pepper on the meat, once it mixes with the ramen, it just comes together perfectly. Man, this is dangerous. It literally can't stop eating. I really wish you could taste this. I wanna share this bowl with all of you. You've gotta try something like this someday. This experiment was definitely a success. I'm thinking about turning this into a series, exploring different US states and popular American foods. If you think that's a cool idea, hit the like button and let me know. If you'd like to know the full recipe for this ramen, let me know in the comments. If enough people are interested, I'll think about turning this into a full recipe guide. Every time I make this, I think, I wish I could share Japan's amazing ramen with the world. If you love ramen or thought this looked delicious, please share this video with your family and friends. I'll keep making delicious ramen from here on out, so stay tuned. If there's a ramen you want me to cover, let me know in the comments. I could talk forever, but that's it for today. Make sure to watch the next one too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you enjoy it. See you in the next ramen adventure. No Jiro, no life. Thank you.